Hey guys, Zach with Edwards Garage. Today we're going to be showing you this 2014 Ford F-150 Platinum. So let's take a little walk around and show you the condition of it. Projector beam headlamps up front with the fog lights. We do have a painted bumper that's actually in pretty good shape for the year and mileage. Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires. Alloy wheels. It has the Ford EcoBoost, which we'll talk about more under the hood. There are power running boards on the truck. I know they're sporadic working. It may not work. Whether we fix them or not, it'll all depend on how much it is to do so, but we'll give you a good deal on it if we don't. So either way, we'll keep going back. We have the hard folding tonneau cover, chrome exhaust tip, painted back bumper, backup camera, tow package, and then just moving around, you can see the rest of the condition of the truck. Now let's go look under the hood. We'll show you some stuff. Okay, so under the hood, we got a 3.5 liter EcoBoost twin turbo V6 engine, and it currently has about 178,000 kilometers on it. As you can see, it cleans up pretty nice. Let's go inside and we'll show you some more stuff. Okay, so inside the cab of this F-150, a few things I'd like to point out is the center console here with the removable tray, nice and deep, and we have some USB ports located in there for charging devices and sending music to the radio screen here. Console mounted shifter, dual zone automatic climate control, full touchscreen radio. So on here we have a few things. We have navigation, Bluetooth for the phone, the climate control, and then Sirius XM satellite radio, AM, FM, USB, CD port. And then our heated and cooled seats are located there as well. Factory trailer brake control, 4 high, 4 low with 4-wheel automatic, and then the electronic locking rear diff. Steering wheel audio controls and cruise control. This wheel is power tilt and telescopic, so you can move it up and down. And the vehicle features programmable driver seat settings, which you won't be able to see in the video, but they're beside me here. So if you have 2 different driver profiles, you can do the steering wheel, the seat, as well as power adjustable pedals, which is also located just beside the steering wheel here. Automatic lights and wipers. Low beam, automatic low beams, power windows locks, Sony sound system, power mirrors with power fold, auto dimming rear view mirror, and then programmable garage door buttons and a power sliding back window. And then last but not least, the sunroof up top. As mentioned, on the outside, the vehicle has 178,000 kilometers. Give us a shout if you're interested. 403-845-3328.